Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I am going to dye my hair lime green. I already did this a few months ago, I guess, but the color faded and it became this yellow that I dyed my hair back in January, in March, sorry. And so I'm going to dye it lime green again because I don't like the color of the yellow it is at the moment. So I started off with my gloves, but you'll see in the process they will break and I will use my bare hands. So part the hair the way you like to do it. I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections. And I used 2 bottles of the dye. I'm going to show you guys later which color it is and which brand exactly. So remember to comb your hair, it makes the process easier. And I'm doing this with freshly washed hair, so my hair is a bit dry, I didn't put anything in it. So I'm just gonna start off by sectioning the hair. So you can see I used the Kiss Express Limelight color. It was like $5. So just keep applying that to your hair. And my gloves broke, so I didn't have any other pairs, so later on I just removed them and just do the process with my bare hands, which resulted in me walking around with green hands for 3 days. So mind you, the sun was burning like crazy out there, so that's why my face is like that most of the time. So normally I use a brush, but this time I didn't because my hair was already kind of green. I was doing a touch up, so that's why you don't see me using the brush. So here I just started applying it with my hand because the glove broke and I didn't have any other gloves, so I didn't want to go buy a new pair and then come back because I'm really impulsive and I just want to dye my hair. Just wanted to dye my hair at that moment. So the method that I'm using is I'm simply applying the color into my hair. I don't know if this is the correct way to do it, but I do it like this and it works for me. So do whatever works for you and your hair. So now, kinda half of my head is done and my hands are green as fuck. So before I continue, I'm just making sure that all the hair, that the product is in all of my hair, and then I will continue to put it in the rest of my hair. Yep, at this point I'm tired as hell cause I have a lot of hair as you can see on the video, so it takes a long time for me to do all of my hair. So I finished the first bottle. I think I used a total of 3.5, I think, of these bottles. I think. I don't really remember anymore. So let's just rush a little bit so we can finish the first half of my head. So this is how the hair looks, the first half look after it's done. And now I have to do the whole other half, which is a whole lot of hair again. So, I was tired at this point. So we're finally doing the last part of my hair, which is still a lot. Like, it looked like it wasn't a lot, but it's still a lot of hair left there. So I'm just gonna do this part, and then I'm gonna show you guys how the hair looks after it's done. So now I'm finally done with the hair. I'm going to leave the hair like this, I think for half an hour. I took long enough to dye it already. So I'm just gonna leave it for half an hour, and then I'm gonna wash it, and I'm going to come back to show you guys how it looks. And here's how it looks in the sun, because I moved in a direction where there was more light. So yes. So here you can get a glimpse of how awesome my hands look. So this is how the hair looked once I was done, but don't let it fool you because the color is much brighter. So there wasn't much sun anymore. So you can see how it turned out, but I will attach pictures so you can see what the color looks like off camera or when I'm not filming. So here I just went ahead and styled my hair because I was already filming, so I filmed that. I will leave it in the video, but I will speed it up, and I will make a separate normal speed video of that if you want to watch. So this is the final result. I will attach a picture of the color of the hair in real life. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.